of that, what's the infrastructure wiring topology difference between an analog system versus an AV over IP system?
Well, when you look at it from an integrator standpoint, there really is not much difference between traditional versus AV over IP. In a traditional system, you may have your sources and your AV equipment, your AV matrix switches, in a central closet or in a rack system. Your TVs are extended out and located in different rooms. In an AV over IP solution, it's essentially the same thing. Your sources with their encoders are installed in an equipment rack where your network switches are, and it's a star topology where they're connected to other endpoints in other rooms.
Ed, let me ask you this. We've seen this progression in displays from 1080p to 4K. Now we see 8K, and we hear talks of even 10K. Does an AV over IP allow an integrator to mix and match these different display technologies?
Absolutely. It does vary from manufacturer to manufacturer, but when it comes to our AV over IP, we could actually, we're designed to work in a mixed display environment, anywhere from 480i all the way up to 4K 6444 with or without HDR. So that's the beauty when it comes to AV over IP. It's got independent scalers built into it. So you're not limited, or you're not fixed to a cross-point switch that you have to add or subtract scalers to make that system work. With the AV over IP, it's a lot more flexible.